The magic recipe. Once upon a time in a small village, there lived a young girl named Mia. She loved to cook and was known for her delicious meals. Every Sunday, the villagers would gather at her house to enjoy her famous spaghetti. One day, while exploring her grandmother's attic, Mia found an old, dusty cookbook. It was filled with strange recipes and beautiful illustrations of food. One recipe caught her eye: magic spaghetti. It promised to bring happiness to anyone who ate it. Excited, Mia decided to try it. She gathered the ingredients: fresh tomatoes, basil, and a secret spice that her grandmother had written about. As she cooked, the kitchen filled with wonderful smells. When the spaghetti was ready, Mia invited her friends over. They all sat at the table, their eyes wide with anticipation. As they took their first bites, something amazing happened. Laughter filled the room, and everyone started to share their happiest memories. They talked about their childhood, their dreams, and their favorite moments. After dinner, Mia realized that the real magic was not in the recipe, but in the joy of sharing a meal with friends. From that day on, she continued to cook and invite everyone to her home. The village became a happier place, all thanks to Mia and her love for food. And so, the magic of Mia's spaghetti continued to spread happiness, one meal at a time.